Hey everyone, my name is Will. Welcome to Will Have It. So Meta just held its first Quest Day event this past week on December 14th. They were giving away things from a beatsaber sweater to even Quest 2 headsets if you stayed long enough. Fortunately, I got a Quest Day giveaway and I thought I'd do a quick unboxing with you guys, so let's get into it. Now, just in case you missed it, Meta recently hosted a fun giveaway of Quest theme items, and if you were one of the participants, you know it was pretty difficult to get some of these freebies. It was out of stock in literally a matter of seconds. So they were giving items like the Pet Quest distraction mat for your puppy, a Quest cookie cutter with shapes like the puffy jacket from the game Population 1, the Meta Quest logo, the beatsaber cube, and the shape of the Quest headset. And then we got the Quest grippy socks with the Quest logo pattern on the bottom of the sock, and then the beatsaber ugly sweater, the Parkley Mansion gingerbread kit inspired by the game Wraith of the Oblivion, and then the plushy toy Little Questy. Now, some of us left after Little Questy, but they also had a super secret drop. They were also giving away 500 Quest 2 headsets with 256 gigabytes. Each of the headset cost $399 US, so that's almost $200,000 of headsets that they were giving away. Now, if you're really interested, I spotted a couple of Little Questies on eBay. It's going for $20 to even $100 each. And just so you know, Meta has made only 1,200 of these for US residents, so unfortunately other locations were not able to participate in Quest Day for some reason. Maybe they're just testing the waters, but hopefully they expand this event to other countries next year, but I thought it was fun. Luckily, I was able to get one, so here's a quick unboxing just in case you guys are curious. Now, it's a pretty simple package. It's a purple pinkish box, and it just says Quest Day on the top. And you just have to lift the bottom of the lid. It's not taped or anything like that, but instead it's magnetically sealed from the bottom. And then when you open it, there's a little card that states your gift is ready. Congrats on snagging the drop of a lifetime, or at least the season. We hope you love it. Show us how you're celebrating and tag us at Oculus. And it looks like it's signed by Sixtoff, who hosted Quest Day. And this is Little Questy. It even has the 4 cameras on each of the corners. And then it just says Quest 2 in the back. And as you expect, it actually feels pretty soft and squishy. Now, I also received a second package from Quest Day, same packaging but smaller with a magnetic strip on the bottom of the lid. And I got the same card with your gift is ready, but this time I got a second card that says make your socks shine and wash instructions, because I also got a pair of Quest grippy socks. It's actually a one size fit all ankle socks with a Quest 2 print on the top and these Meta Quest patterns on the bottom of the socks. So it's basically anti-slip socks. According to Meta, it's supposed to help you stick more landings during Fast and Furious Quest 2 workout sessions. It's actually a decently soft material. Now, according to the description, it's made of 80% cotton, 15% nylon, and 5% spandex. So we'll see how long this will last. Now, if you don't have any anti-slip socks, I do recommend using a VR mat with non-slip surfaces. Plus, it helps relieve pressure if you're standing on your feet too long. If you want a bit more details on this mat, I have done a video on this. I'll leave a card in the corner and a link in the description if you're interested. Now, I think from a marketing standpoint, it's important that these are here before Christmas because it gives additional advertising for Quest 2 headset in a unique way. These pieces are definitely conversation starters. Same goes with the giveaways like the beatsaber sweater, Pet Quest distraction mat. So I think it's a smart way of indirectly advertising Quest 2 headset. It's more of a softer sell. Anyways guys, let me know down below if you were one of the lucky ones to snag a Little Questy or any items they were giving away, and if you actually got the free Quest 2 headset. Alright guys, that's all I got for now. If you liked the video, press the like button and consider subscribing. Talk to y'all later.